Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Adidas Superlite 3 cap. So I have a lot of Adidas Superlite 2 hats, but this is my first Adidas Superlite 3. So let's check it out, let's check it out. All right, so front, it does not say Adidas, but it has the signature 3 stripes. It says Aero Ready on the side. Some holes in it, interesting. So Superlite 2, I do not believe has these holes in them. Velcro. Very nice. Yeah, I think a big difference is these holes. Otherwise, it does feel and look pretty similar to the Superlite 2s. Check out the tag. Men's Superlite 3 hat in gray. Cool. Yeah, I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. And let me know in the comment section below what you think about this hat. Alright everyone, take care. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.